Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that you change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest speed cleaning video. So I'm going to start my speed clean in the kitchen, and I'm just going to tidy up and put all the baby's bottles away ready to go in the sterilizer. I'm going to get an anti-bac spray and I'm going to spray down all the surfaces and just wipe everything down and wipe all the crumbs onto the floor ready to be hoovered up.
How is that even possible?
So as the title of this video says, this is a speed clean with children in tow. I have my 4-year-old and my 8-week-old also in the kitchen, in the other half of the kitchen with me. So there is a chance I will have to stop cleaning multiple times during this video, but that is life when you are trying to clean the house with children around.
For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time.
I'm also going to use the same anti-bac spray to clean the hob and to clean the oven and just give it a little wipe over and get rid of any food bits and bobs.
To lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go?
Okay, I'm going to go into the utility room now, and I'm going to use my Scrub Mummy sponge because it has a lovely porous sort of scrubby side to it, which I'm going to use to scrub the surface of the utility. Because we make Cooper's bottles in here, if the milk spills, it goes really stiff onto the surface, so you really have to scrub to get it off. And the Scrub Mummy along with the anti-bac spray is so good for getting off really tough, sticky bits of food or drink.
Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na.
Okay, so I'm going to go into the other half of the kitchen now, which is our dining room slash playroom, and this is where the boys are. One is asleep and one is awake, and I am giving the dining table a really good clean using some anti-bac wipes. We obviously have a 4-year-old who eats here all the time and it can get really dirty really quickly, so I'm giving it a really good scrub. I also want to just do a little bit of a tidy up in the play area. I mean, there's really no point. It will literally be messy again in seconds, but it just feels a bit better when I just tidy it up. And if I'm cleaning, I do like to tidy at the same time, although it seems pointless. I'm also just going to wipe down and dust the surfaces here as well.
You can do better.
The baby is now awake, so my minutes are numbered, so I'm getting the hoover out quickly, and I'm just going to hoover all of the hard floors in the kitchen, in this half of the kitchen, the other half of the kitchen, and I will also hoover in the hallway and the living room downstairs as well.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Now that I'm in the living room and Cooper is still happy in his swing, I'm going to dust in here, just using the anti-bac wipes that I was using on the dining table. I'm just going to give the surfaces a wipe over. These are really good at attracting dust, and it gets all of the dust off the surface, so I'm just going to wipe all of the surfaces and make them nice and clean.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off.
I want to hoover the stairs as well. It's been a few days since I've hoovered the stairs, so I'm going to use a small little attachment to hoover the stairs on the sides and on the carpet, just getting up any bits of dust that gathers on the sides and anything caught in the carpets as well, and it just makes them look a lot fresher and cleaner.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
So I've put the main attachment back on the hoover now, and I'm going to go over all of the carpets upstairs. So downstairs is all hard floor and upstairs is carpet. So I'm just going to hoover all over the landing and all in the bedrooms as well.
Fell asleep, there's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no.
I haven't made the beds yet today. It's been one of those mornings, so I'm going to make the beds while I'm up here as well. It just makes the house feel so much cleaner and fresher when the beds are made. I really try and make the beds first thing in the morning, but that just didn't happen today.
Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
So Cooper really needs my attention now. I don't have long to go, so I'm only going to clean one of the bathrooms today, and I've chosen the family bathroom because this is the one that gets used the most by the boys, and I'm just going to spend 2 minutes putting some bleach down the toilet and using some anti-bac wipes to wipe the bathroom over, and that will do. I will go and give Cooper a bottle because, you know, I'm not going to be able to get the whole house done, but hey, I got most of it done and I'm pretty happy with that. There you go, that was my speed clean with 2 children. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.